want to make sure that you apply flux all over. That will inhibit fire scale. And then you also want to make sure you're heating the piece evenly, because it's going to anneal while you apply the flame. You also want to make sure that you know that this is the hottest part of the torch. So you just, almost like you're tracing the line just above the metal, so you don't overheat the metal and you don't underheat it. And I'm going to go pick up some solder and apply it to the seam. You want to make sure your seam has no gaps. If they have any gaps, the solder may not fill it. And if you heat it, you want to make sure to heat the whole piece evenly, because the solder will flow to where the heat is. So if you just concentrate on one side, the solder will only be on the one side of the seam. And then you heat up the whole thing. It will retain some heat, and then you focus in on the solder, and then it'll flow. And that's it. And you can also make sure to bring it through if it's a big seam by pointing it through from the other side.